Petunia plants are the easiest to grow plants that also produces a lot of flowers. In this video, we will discuss all about petunia plant care, and this will help you a lot if you are growing them for the first time. We will talk about its growing season, fertilization, the best soil mix, propagation and much more. So keep watching this video and do subscribe to our channel. Petunias are the winter season flowering plants native to South America, where they are mostly grown as flower beds, making hanging pots and so on. They are hardy and low maintenance flower plants best for beginners. They have a lot of varieties with different flower colors and patterns like on the screen. Unfortunately, their flowers don't have any smell, but they are non-toxic to kids and pets. Basically, they are seasonal plants that grow in winters, but some varieties do grow years long. We can grow them using their seeds as well as their cuttings, or we can also buy their younger saplings from any local nursery all around the winter days. Just bring them home and plant them in a loose soil mix at the evening time and water carefully. Within a few days, these petunia plants will be growing. Now caring them is super easy. Follow this video point by point. The first and the most important thing in petunia plant care is understanding their season of growth. They are commonly seasonal flowering plants that grow in a cool area. That's why their season starts in the early winters and continue up to late springs and sometimes even in the starting summers. In this period of time, you can grow them, prune them, fertilize them, propagate them, etc. But as the season starts warming, they go under a stressed condition and ultimately dies. But before dying, they produce such type of seed pods from their bloomed flowers. You can let them grow and harvest their seeds after a week and save them to grow next season. Another important thing for the healthy growth of petunia plants is their soil mix. Generally, they are hardy and can survive very well in variety of soil mixes. Either it's a little hard or water-blocking soil mix. But petunias do get a lot of benefits from a good soil mix, like it grow faster, produces more flowers and grow bushier, etc. You can provide them a loose and a bit of well-draining soil mix. Simply mix these ingredients in these ratios. You can also buy them from the description box link. And here is our homemade petunia soil mix is ready to use. Blockage of moisture can cause root rot and yellow leaves in petunias, so also water carefully. And to know about more of such beautiful winter flowering plants, follow the video from the I button and description box. Petunia plants are the flowering plants, so obviously sunlight is essential for their healthier growth. Winter's sun is very healing. You can provide them as much sun as you want. They are hardy and can survive very well even in an hour of daily sunlight. But for the best growth, make sure to put it in an area that gets at least 4 to 5 hours of sun. In a dark area, petunia's growth will be slow, laggy and there will be no flowers. The leaves also turns yellow, so make sure to give your petunias a sunny spot. And you can also subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Another important thing for petunia plants care is their fertilization. Overall, petunia plants are moderate feeders and grow flowers even if you don't fertilize them at all. But regular fertilization definitely helps them to grow more and more buds and flowers. For the fertilizer, you can use any balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks. I am using this homemade flower fertilizer that have amazing results. You can see every plant is blooming regardless of a small pot. Detailed video on this fertilizer is linked in the description box and I button, must check it out. Another thing in petunia plant care that is also very important is the pinching and deadheading of their buds and flowers. They grow fast in winters and tries to bloom as soon as possible. So here main focus of the plant is on flowering, but by pinching off the new buds when the plant is younger, you can enjoy even more flowers on a single plant. And as the plant blooms, the removal of spent flowers is also very important, otherwise the plant starts making seeds and we won't get any more flowers. The plant will turn its focus now on making the seeds, so here by removing them, we can push the plant to keep producing flowers. You can do this every few days and you will see your plants will be full of flowers. Now let's talk a little about the pot size. Petunias are the easy to grow and hardy plants and the ideal pot size for them is at least 6 to 8 inches. But I am growing them in 3 to 4 inches of pot. Do you know why they are still blooming? The reason is that they are seasonal plants that only have a life cycle of a few months, and in this time they have to produce flowers no matter what. As like it's their nature to produce flowers, ultimately make seeds before the season ends. So overall it's better to grow them in a wider and bigger pot, but if you can't, it's still okay. Some good size pots are also linked in the description box. Petunia plants are very friendly bloomers and haven't many problems, but still yellow leaves can appear. So use a good fertilizer as well as a well-draining soil mix. In pest, aphids and spider mites can appear on your plants, but that's not so common. Still, you can use Neem spray that you can also make at home. Video on that is also linked in the description box and I button. You can follow that and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. For growing the petunia plants from cuttings, take a 3 to 4 inches of a branch from a healthy plant. Remove all the lower leaves and plant it in a soft medium. You can also buy it from the description box link. You can do this in the starting winters up to late spring days. Water the pot and place it in a semi-shaded area away from direct sunlight. Within a few days, you will see the cuttings have new leaves. At this time, water very carefully. Within a few more days, the cuttings will be ready to transplant. Carefully separate them. These are the roots. You can see the plant is fully growing. Plant them in a new container. And here we have new petunia plants ready to bloom. So it's all about petunia flower plant care and propagation. As it's a seasonal plant, it will die, you can't save it. So here is a video on some of the easy to grow flower plants that won't die and can live for years with you, unlike the petunias. Must check it out and do subscribe to our channel.